Sometimes 911 calls can become one of the most unexpected cases the police officers have ever handled, and no amount of training would ever prepare them to witness some people transform into the craziest suspects. This lady is no exception. While she was sobbing and visibly looking hurt and vulnerable, cops would later find out that she was not what she claimed to be.
You're clearly going through some sort of distress here.
Yeah, I am. I just had a fucking surgery. I have not seen my son in a fucking... I just got a fucking surgery, and you're fucking touching me when I fucking can't fucking feel anything! Don't fucking touch!
But guess what? She is one of the 3 ladies you will meet in this video who will prove that surely you should not judge a book by its cover. We were starting with this mother who went on a rampage when she didn't get her way with the police. On June 15, 2022, deputies Miller, Belfleur, and DeLeon responded to a 911 call reporting a possible kidnapping. The cops immediately made their way to the house. However, they were greeted by a very aggressive lady who accused them of ignoring her calls and failing to assist her in getting custody of her 15-year-old son. At this point, the deputies are intrigued and cautious about the lady, and so they decided that it's better to get to the bottom of the story. And here's what they found out.
Fuck! I'm not trying to. This is fucked up. I talked to you and your eyelashes. You're fucked up. 2 days ago I talked to her.
2 days ago?
I don't want to work 2 days ago.
Oh, I'm stopping. I'm gonna go in I'm gonna change. Yeah, I talked to you.
I don't know you. I've never spoken to you before.
2 days ago. I can pull up my fucking
we're not
computer.
working.
Well, I can show you 2 days ago. Maybe she was not, but she's the one that responded.
I did not respond, ma'am. I've never been here.
I can promise you, she wasn't there 2 days ago.
I don't. A liar. She might forget. It's okay. And I don't. Okay. It's okay. But I don't need this shit right now. I am. For a reason.
It turned out that this was not the first time the deputies were called into her house. However, it seems like she got their faces wrong as she started accusing the others of responding 2 days ago. At this point, it is getting clearer that she has some sort of grudge against the deputies who initially visited the days before. And I think most of you will agree that her behavior is not a good sign. Soon after, the deputies will find out just how difficult this lady can be, starting with her slamming the door at them.
Do you need another eye to open up so you can see? I'm
Should you be wearing some special stuff?
No, I need some more because I'm hurt. We're done. You guys can go. I'll call the police. I don't want you.
I think this is this.
I'm listen.
Yeah.
Push a little button. I talked to you 2 days ago.
No, ma'am, you did
I
not.
told you everything that I needed help with.
No, ma'am, you
did
did
not
not.
help me with it. What? Even worse.
If you want to tell me what you need help with.
Oh no! Please don't! No, stop! I just had a surgery. Please.
Okay, let's talk.
Please.
Let's talk.
Please.
Let's talk.
Okay, we can talk.
just not
but
play
don't
games.
touch.
Over and over again.
Don't touch me.
Okay?
Please don't touch
You're
me.
not going to run back in the house and slam the door over and over again. Your dogs are already outside.
You don't have to fucking push me like that again. Are you kidding me?
Okay.
I just had
You're clearly going through some sort of distress here.
Yeah, I am. I just had a fucking surgery. I have not seen my son in a fucking month.
Why haven't you seen your child?
I'm dealing with my fucking attorney. It has nothing to do with that. But
So it's a child.
don't ever fucking touch me again. Get the fuck away from me. And you too. I just can't deal with this. I can't. You're not invited. I already have everything. No, it's not funny.
As the situation escalates, the deputies are also not enjoying how the lady is dealing with them. Despite calling them to her house, she started ordering them to leave. However, we all know that is not how things work. And soon after, the deputies decided that being patient and calm would only make things difficult. And so, they tried to approach each other differently.
It's okay. That's fine. I don't call citizen. I just need to, I'm not.
What medications do you take?
I don't.
You don't?
I'm dealing with my son.
Have you ever taken medication?
I have not seen my son in a month. Okay.
Have you been drinking today?
No, not at all. I'm fucking working. I'm dealing with fucking work. I'm dealing with my fucking son. And my son's dad will not even give him a fucking phone. He came back to his house so I can call him.
Based on initial reports, the lady called after accusing her husband of kidnapping their son. And from what the mother has told the deputies, she is trying to get custody of her son, but to no avail. However, the officers are starting to get a much clearer picture of what's happening. Notice how they asked her about any medication? This is because they're starting to suspect that the person they are dealing with is either drunk or high. And it's only a matter of time before they know the answer to that.
That's fine.
Okay, who kidnapped your son?
My ex-husband. His name is Clay Butler. Clay, C-L-A-Y-B-U-T-L-E-R.
Okay.
He
and
does this all the time.
where is he now?
In Orlando.
Okay. And why are you saying that he's been kidnapped? Do you guys have like a court agreement or?
Oh.
A minute ago, you were saying that you were dealing with the court process. Is that like he
I have
has
a
the
question.
child waiting for that?
Are you asking me questions or is he now?
We're-
Because for 1 second, I'm going to stop and I'm going to get a
I'll wait
recording.
over here.
Hold on.
Do not.
Oh, no, don't
Okay.
push me that hard.
Do
I
not.
want to get a recording. Don't
You asked me to
ever
record.
fucking touch me like this again.
Listen.
You touched me hard. I want a phone for a
Listen,
question.
You're not going to
no.
keep putting your hands
Stop.
in my face.
No, I'm not going to. I'm going to get
You
my
are.
phone. No, I'm not. He's
No,
hurting
right now,
me.
who's hurting you?
He just did. Over here. Him.
Okay.
He pushed me hard.
You
I
need
was talking to you.
back up, and you won't get pushed again. Back up.
I'm talking to.
Back
don't
up.
talk to me like that, and
Back
don't
up.
talk to me again. Oh, because you
You're not
have
gonna-
authority, because you have eyelashes. Let's go talk about your backup.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
go find who you are, and you're a
My
fucking.
name is Deputy
you-
DeLeon with the Indian River County
That's
Sheriff's
fine.
Office.
I'm sure.
That is exactly who I am.
Okay, thank you
Okay,
so
and
much
if you
for that.
run up on me one more time, you're gonna get pushed a lot harder.
By
Do you
the
understand?
way, I never touched you.
Okay.
By the way,
Do you want to
understand?
figure out what's going on with your
He
son or
tapped
not?
twice.
Do you need help figuring out
Do
what's
you
going on with your son?
understand?
Do you need help?
Back up your shit right now.
Ma'am.
Do you
Do
understand
you
what
need help
he
with
just
your
did?
son or not?
Do you want to help to understand? Yeah, I want 4 more cops out here right now because neither one of you are doing this,
Ma'am.
and don't ever touch me
You're too
again.
close. If I can touch
Oh,
you, that
no.
means you're too close.
No, I was walking by
Okay.
my house.
So,
you're not welcome.
Do you
can
do
go.
you need help with your son or not?
No, you guys
Okay.
can go.
So if you call back again, it's us that's coming out here.
That's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
So if you don't need our help, don't call us.
Well, guess what? I will call because
Okay. Well, if you call,
There's
it's
call-
us coming out. Okay,
then do your
ma'am. If you call, it's us.
The patience of these deputies is top-notch. However, the following incident will stretch their patience to the limits.
touch me again. Touch me again.
Ma'am.
Stop, please.
Back up.
Stop touching me. I just got a fucking
need-
surgery, and you're fucking touching me when I
Ma'am.
fucking can't fucking feel anything.
Back
Don't
up, ma'am.
fucking touch
Back
me.
up, ma'am.
You're touching me. You
Hands
stop.
behind your back. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your
Stop.
back.
He's hurting me.
Hands behind your back.
He's hurting me.
Hands behind your
You're
back.
hurting.
Stand still. Hands behind your back. Stand still. Just stand still.
No, they're hurting.
Stand still.
They're hurting.
Well, stand still.
Stop this. Keep hurting me. Please stop hurting me. They really are hurting me. Just stop hurting me. I will not hurt anybody. That is hurting me. This is hurting me. I would never. Just stop, please. I don't want. Oh, just please stop. This does not have to hurt anybody. No, it does not work. Doesn't work. They don't work. No, they don't.
So,
No, none of those work. It's because the top is a fucking ranch handler.
what is your
I'm
name?
telling you the truth. I'm not.
Stop. You're out of control.
I am not.
You are totally out of control.
I have a question for you. Can I have all my shit back? It's like I will never hurt somebody. Just please let me go so I can talk to somebody.
You know, I think that you need to talk to somebody too. And,
I always talk to somebody. I don't fucking lie about shit. Can you
No, I'm
Go
not
for
gonna.
it.
Can you let her go and let me talk to you guys, please? Just let her go, because this is a fucking lie from her. Just please stop.
The lady was acting, it's getting obvious that she's dealing with a lot, particularly something emotional and mental. This prompted the deputies to ask whether she was seeing a psychologist for her condition. And then this happened.
I'm not trying to fight
Do you
her.
see a psychologist?
I talked to my own counselor, but I
Talk
don't
to
need
your own
this
counselor?
shit. Yes, I don't need all of this.
What?
What the fuck are you doing? Why the fuck would you do something like that?
Just walk. Just walk. Just walk.
No, stop.
Just walk. Just walk. Just walk. It won't hurt us. You just walk.
I'm not going. Hey, I'm not going. No, I'm not going. I'm
I
staying
believe
here.
that as long as you're in handcuffs,
No,
you're
I'm
going.
sorry. Is that your car? No, it's
Mine's
not my
right here.
car. Let me go, please. Stop. You guys don't understand. I'm dealing with my son. Please, can you guys just hear me for 1 second, please? You're a sane person. No.
All right, have a seat.
Let me go back in.
Turn around and have a seat.
Not yet. I'm not ready yet. Please, let me use a car. Of course. Please.
You need to have a seat.
Just have a seat.
Please, I never did anything to you.
Have a seat.
Please unstop
Ma'am,
this.
have a seat, and we
I
can work
just
with
my
you.
dogs back away. No,
Okay,
they're
we'll
my
take care of
dogs. No, let me take care of my things,
Ma'am,
please.
have a seat in the car.
I'm just asking.
Have a seat.
Okay, we'll take care of everything you need help with.
I know you have no
Have a seat.
humanity because you fucked a lot of people. You've been a nasty bitch
Yeah.
to so many guys.
I'm
That's
sure.
kind of terrible.
Just have a seat.
Oh, trust me. That's why you moved over here to Bureau.
Okay, have a
Stop
seat.
touching me.
Have a
You're
seat.
hurting me. Stop touching me.
After seeing their colleague getting kicked, it was time for the other deputies to step in and make sure this aggressive lady got to the police station to get what she deserved.
Have a seat.
She's touching me.
Calm down.
I just had a fucking surgery.
Are you okay?
I just had a surgery. Am I okay? No, she keeps fucking hurting me.
Get in the car. Oh, get back.
Yeah, because she keeps hurting me.
You okay? Nicole, are you okay?
I'm okay.
You're getting in the car.
She keeps hurting me.
Nicole, are you okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. I'm not bleeding, right?
No, I don't think so.
I'm good.
Okay.
I just
No,
gotta
I know.
breathe.
I know.
It hurts.
It's okay. I understand. It's okay.
That hurt.
I know. I saw it.
Okay, I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Now you just got a felony
For what?
for kicking her in the face.
I never kicked her in her face.
You did. I watched you do it.
I never
It's all on video. It's all on video.
We wear cameras. Do you want to get checked out?
Huh?
So do you want to get checked out?
In the end, she was charged with 1 felony count and battery of an officer. Luckily, the deputy was okay. However, this next lady is the complete opposite and even got herself busted after cops noticed her acting in a very weird manner. On May 4th, 2022, Deputy Para Hermidai caught up to a Toyota RAV4 in a convenience store. She initially attempted to conduct a traffic stop after she noticed the driver missing a stop sign. However, she did not expect what happened next. Basically, the driver stepped out and was completely drenched with some kind of liquid, which immediately intrigued the deputy. Here's how the investigation turned out.
You have a DL on you or anything like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is that at? Any weapons in the car?
Ma'am, there's no weapons. I was just giving them a ride. I don't even know who they are.
Where's the male that's with you?
Is that
Okay, I need you to stay here.
I don't know the driver's license is that.
Alright, just hang tight, Brian. What's your first name? Stay right here for me.
Mandy Wheeler.
Can you stay over here for me, boss, for now? Yeah, that's fine. Here, let's go and stand over here. You're good right there.
So why we gotta?
I don't know.
She said because
Your
I.
passenger's in the car that I just attempted to stop, and you guys earlier went around another car. Well, she went, or you're the driver.
I wanted to wash my face because I fell.
Right.
Can I go wash my
I didn't
face
know
at
you was
least?
getting pulled over. All I do is that's gonna ride. It's hot here. We got the baby with us.
I know. I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying that if I'm doing a stop on you, you guys have to make sure you stay in the car. I'm not okay with people
we didn't know
wandering.
that we.
Right.
I'm sorry. I just wanted to wash my face.
But that's what I'm telling you right now. There's a traffic stop on the car, and at this time, it's not okay for everybody to be wandering around. That's why I'm not letting you go back and. Can you step over here and talk to me real quick?
Yes, ma'am.
So how did you even fall?
I just fell.
Okay, because I want to make sure you're okay. I'm just concerned about you right now.
I'm fine. I promise you that. I just want to wash my face and my arms.
Okay. Well, they're just gonna check you out. You have a bulge on your head right
I know,
now.
I hit my head.
And that was on a grass lot?
No, you know, over there, she has locks, my girlfriend, and I was running to talk to somebody, and then I fell, and I was like, oh shit, let me go wash myself off. I'm saying my feet are burning.
Alright, let me just take a quick picture of you. I'm gonna go ahead and start typing up the warning for the stop sign. You have to be careful.
I'm so sorry, but I just want to wash my face.
Can you see both of your hands like this? Hi.
I'm fine. I just fell, and she just wanted to make sure that I was okay.
Now this is where things got more serious. Before serving her the ticket, the deputy asked the driver if she could search the car, but oddly, the lady declined. While civilians can decline a search, the driver's actions and prior circumstances during the traffic stop gave the deputy a hunch that something was off. And so, the deputy decided to follow her gut. Let's just say she made the right choice.
Real quick, before I start typing the warning, do you have any issues with me searching the vehicle?
Ma'am, it's not. It's a rental car, ma'am.
It's a yes or a no question?
No, ma'am, I do.
You do have a
I don't
problem?
want anybody searching my vehicle right
Okay.
now.
Alright, go and stand over there. They're going to come to you. Hey, Fritas, can you head this way? I'm trying to get these people. So I saw the car going into Bloxiam. They go into an empty lot. They open the trunk and they were like dumping shit out there in an empty lot. She's back all bloody and shit. They do a stop sign, and then over here, she cuts off somebody that's trying to turn as well. Doesn't want us to search a car. And I have no idea what the fuck is going on with this suspect. It's a rental. And she now wants to go to the hospital. She rethought it, and we had to get the ambulance to come back, so she may have it up with her if that's the case.
I arrested her for coke and she had it on her.
Huh?
I arrested her for coke and she had it on her.
So that's probably what's gonna. So if we get a sniff before she gets taken to hospital, search her.
Alright.
The deputy and his K9 did a quick sniff on the vehicle and determined that there was definitely something inside the car.
Wants to get up, he wants to get up, wants to get up. Yeah. Here. Sit. Wants to get up? Wants to get up? Sit it. Sit it. That's a go girl! That's a go girl! That's a go girl! That's a good girl. Look.
I have a medical marijuana card, sir.
Okay.
I have a medical marijuana card, sir.
Okay.
You cannot search my vehicle.
Okay. I can.
No, you cannot, sir.
Probably just THC pen. So it's enough to search her.
Enough to search her?
Yeah.
Well, we better do that quick before they load her up.
They gotta test it.
Alright, well, you might want to do that so we can get her searched before she goes, because I think they're getting ready to load her up.
You wanna test this for weed?
After retrieving a few sachets of drugs from the vehicle, Deputy Parahamida was able to retrieve more drugs, but this time, somewhere she was not expecting.
You have breasts everywhere.
No, I fell.
Well, you must have rolled a lot to have fallen. What's that?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Oh my God, what is that?
Okay.
Oh my God, no, what is
Stop.
that? Ma'am,
Keep
sorry.
your
Yes,
hand-
ma'am.
Can you hold this? No, not
Hey,
this.
can you call my
Freedom.
mom, please?
With your gloves.
My phone's right here.
Hands on your back.
Yes, sir. Can I smoke that cigarette, please?
Alright, spread your feet again.
I don't.
That's your crack before.
Sir, that is not.
Anything else?
Ma'am, no, I didn't even know that was there. God damn it.
No? Okay.
I did it.
Never had anything surprise me in my bra before.
Listen, I don't know what the fuck's in that car, but
Yes.
Spread your feet.
please.
Central Bank 432, which subject this could be?
Fuck.
Damn, I just got a handful.
Listen, please, can somebody call my mom?
Stay where you're
Ma'am,
at.
yes.
Let's go to the back of my car.
Can I get my shoes out of my car, please, so I don't have to go barefoot?
In a second. I'll go for
The slides. Oh, please call my mother, ma'am.
Go ahead, sir.
In the end, the lady was charged with drug paraphernalia possession and controlled substances possession. If you think this lady was crazy, wait until you see how the next one turned a missed doctor's appointment into an arrest. Deputies arrived at a primary care facility in Florida on August 22nd, 2022, after receiving information about a woman who refused to leave the property. Based on the initial information relayed to them by the clinic staff, the woman was pretty upset because her doctor would not see her after she had missed her appointment. However, upset might be an understatement because this lady is furious.
Just call?
Yes, that's supposed to be that call.
Okay, what's going on?
Because this young lady right here will
Okay.
not leave the building, and she's been harassing the patients that was in here, and says that she's going to sit in the lobby until she sees the doctor, and the doctors have stated he cannot see her.
Okay, I have appointment.
Doesn't
with the
matter.
doctor.
This is a business.
Okay, I would like to talk to the doctor.
I can't. They don't have to. You don't have to see the doctor. I don't know if you're misunderstanding. Like the doctor has told his staff that.
No.
You missed your appointment. The
No, I'm
doctor.
not missing nothing.
I cannot explain it to you any other way. You have to leave. If you refuse to leave, then the law kicks in. It's a
I
privately
want
owned
to see
company.
your ID.
Okay.
Give me
You
your
need
card.
to walk outside.
No.
You need to walk outside. This is all being recorded on body cam. I've asked you for 10 minutes to walk outside. Please walk outside. You're not allowed to be here, okay? Thank you. This is all being recorded. You violated the law 3 times. At this point, you have 3 different charges. You've resisted arrest by not listening to my commands. You have trespassed. How far do you want to take this?
Okay.
How far would you
You
like
arrest
to take
me?
this?
As mentioned by the cop, the lady had already broken several laws, and despite getting warned several times, she continued to push their limits. At this point, it's important to observe her behavior because it'll start to make sense later in the video.
Told you to
Woman,
leave.
no give me go to doctor.
It's a business.
It's not business. It's a look.
It
Primary
is a
care,
private
Cleveland
company.
Clinic.
Cleveland Clinic, Indian River Hospital is a
going
private
on?
business.
I want cut all the one of you.
Okay, this is all being recorded, okay?
I want.
There's my name. If you'd like to write it down, you can write it down,
Yes,
okay?
give me pen. You can pen right down.
You have to provide your own pen.
Here's, I will let you borrow a pen. They're the ones that called on you.
No.
She refused to
No,
leave for an hour
government does.
and got nasty with the staff.
It's simple.
Michael Pierce,
P-I-E-R-C-E.
You can just request a video because it's all been recorded since I got here. That's the easiest way to do it. You can put it on Facebook or Instagram or anything else.
Lozada, L-O-Z-A-D-A.
See if they want to trespass. You can ask them.
It was this department.
Indian River County Sheriff's Office. But you're not free to leave yet, okay? So you're not allowed to go anywhere.
Get her information for me? Here you go. Now you'll do the same for him, right?
You have a
Is that your notebook?
ID
What
card.
crime is denied to me? What crime I did?
So we're going to issue what's called a trespass warning.
If they want
If
one.
they want one.
Trespass warning. What is
Therefore,
trespass warning?
therefore, I'm asking for your identification so that I can.
What kind of trespass are trespassing? It's a Cleveland clinic.
They have a right. They have a right to deny you service. They have a right to ask you to leave, and therefore, they've asked you to leave. You refuse. Now we are telling you you have to leave.
I told her to leave twice and she
Now it
refused.
becomes. Listen to me. Listen to me.
She's not doing it.
Listen to me. Now it becomes criminal. If you refuse to give me your ID, you're going to go to jail. It's not a threat. It's just that's what's going to happen. So you can give me your ID. We can do the paperwork. You can walk away and leave, never come back, or I'm gonna put you in handcuffs. We're gonna go to jail.
Let me guess.
And you're gonna get
to give us her information.
That's correct.
I want
So I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna let you decide what you want to do.
One more second, ma'am. I'm going to do this as nice as possible because I don't want to see you ruin your day. I don't know if you're familiar with the law, and I think you're confused about being a doctor. This is a business no different than Publix and the Chinese restaurant and the pizza place. They choose who they see. You made an appointment. They agreed to
No.
see. Finish.
No.
You don't let me finish.
They must took it any
Don't let me
patient.
finish.
You're not choosing who they
No,
see
that's
in
not
the
true.
hospital.
Absolutely not true. This is not a hospital. This is a business. This is a off-site medical care. If you go to the emergency room, they have to see you. This is not the emergency room. So let me finish. This is a business. They've asked you to leave. The minute you did not leave the lobby on their request, you broke the law of trespassing. Then the ugly guy in the suit shows up that has the law to tell you to leave. I told you to leave. You refused. I had to put my hand on your shoulder, which was recorded, and escort you gently out of the building. That act is called resisting arrest. You were given a lawful order to leave. You refused. Now you have 2 violations of the law. The third coming is he is telling you to produce your identification, which is a lawful command, and we have a right to do that. I do not want you to get in trouble. I'm trying to do everything possible to keep this to a peaceful resolution.
But let's cut to the chase. Despite how hard the cops were trying to be patient, things didn't go as smoothly as they wanted, especially with a lady who refused to listen.
Location.
Okay, give me doctor now.
But I can't do that here. This is
No, why am I supposed to see different doctor? I won't see this one. It's my doctor. I see him for 2 years.
It doesn't sound like he wants. I don't know that he wants to see you anymore.
Okay, go ask him. Call.
That's what they're doing. They're asking him. They're asking him if he wants to see you.
First of all, doctor cannot refuse him.
She's not allowed that.
She's not allowed that.
GW. Not yet.
TW, you want to grab one?
Yeah, can you grab one? For me?
I don't have grab one. So they don't want to ever. You're not allowed to ever come back here again.
Come back here, you go to jail. Okay. That's the bottom line.
And that doctor made that decision.
Doctor make decision.
Yes.
So that's something you'll have to take up with the Cleveland Clinic.
You're supposed to be doing on a paper. You just say me on a voice.
No, we're gonna fill out a piece of paper
The
for you.
doctor's going to sign it.
And then we're.
Okay, doctor can sign it.
Yep, and then you'll get a copy, and then you can deal with Cleveland Clinic later on, okay?
Trespassing.
I have appointment. I invited.
Okay. If you're going to listen to me, I'll explain it to you one more time.
Trespassing.
At the
I invited.
You were invited, and then they told you to leave, and you refused. The statute says once your invitation has been revoked, you must immediately exit the premises, which you did not. And when I told you to leave, you did not. You refused. That's
She said
trespassing.
me waiting on all appointments finished. You're waiting.
then I came
and people
and told
leave,
you to
and
leave.
I call after. Why? Do you can control what doctor I going? You call to me and make me leave out of doctor office?
They have
What
the
you
right to
doing?
do that.
Who?
The business, you're looking at this.
Doctor never know what I'm
He
here.
did. He signed the paper.
No.
He doesn't want you here. The doctor.
Show me paper.
You're going to have it here shortly.
You're gonna get a copy of it.
What you doing?
Criminal, which is what you did. You broke the law.
I broken the law.
Several
By
times.
going to doctor, what you do there? You hypnotizing heavy. I know all what you're doing.
What am I doing?
It's what you're doing. And I actually called the federal yesterday. Is I go
sorry?
after you. Today, I be called to him again. He be called to me. He give you all your names for put to jail all corruption of police in Vero Beach.
This is all being
Just for
recorded.
you know it.
Okay. And when you make sure you
think
get
I don't know
the
what
make
you're
sure you
doing?
get the
I
video
know
that
proof
make sure you
of
get the
it.
video of you breaking the law when you refuse to leave and put that on there as well because you broke the law several times. So that's not corruption.
I misunderstood what she was doing.
She said that we were
perfectly.
all
She
corrupt.
understood perfectly. Maybe you
Oh,
something's
we're
not
corrupt.
understood. He does.
We're corrupt. Okay.
You are. You going to the doctor office and pushing me out.
I didn't push you out.
Sometimes they make me think what is criminal in around doctor.
Ma'am, may I
And these people too. I won't know her name.
may I interrupt for a second?
Yeah, go give me her name. It's my right.
Okay.
This
give you
woman
what?
at the lobby.
I'm sorry.
Name this woman at the lobby.
Okay. Let me explain what was going to happen to you.
You do this too. Okay, I don't know what to do now. I can explain what happened to you. You will be both on a federal prison.
Whatever you say about me is your right. I'm here to protect this business that you violated the law in, and that's it.
It was obvious that the conversation was going nowhere and the lady was not ready to listen. After several rounds of explanation, she insisted that her doctor appointment was enough reason for her to stay inside the clinic even after she was refused service. However, she was completely wrong. Simply put, criminal trespass tends to occur when an individual enters into or onto someone else's property, in this case, the clinic, without their permission, and continues as long as they remain there. This is exactly the case for this lady, and it won't be that long before she will reap the fruits of her entitlement.
This is a trespass warning, stating you're hereby notified that you're no longer authorized, licensed, or invited to enter or remain at this premises. You may be arrested or refused to leave or return to the area at any time. Basically, long story short, the easiest way is that you cannot come back to this property. If you do, you go to jail. That's the easiest way to
So what you sign it? Where?
sign it right here. Dr. David Hurst. Dr. David Hurst, that's the office phone number. He even gave me his business card. Okay?
We're going to a business card?
You can go in.
May I look?
Yeah, David Hurst. From my report, so I need it. Don't snatch anything away from my hands. Don't try to be funny here. Okay, all right, we're already cutting you a break as it is. So, you can do two of the things. You can sign it and get your copy, and then you can be on your way.
You don't sign it nothing. It's not him.
This is David. Yes, it is. It's all on body camera. Are you going to refuse to sign this? So if you refuse it, you're still trespass. It doesn't mean anything. So when you come back here, you're going to go to jail. Okay? I'm just going to write down refuse, okay?
I understand it now. That's what you want for my son.
Okay. You don't have to sign it. You're still trespass from here. If you come back, you go to jail.
You actually have to leave, so
You have to.
you need to leave.
You don't leave.
I have to leave.
Yes.
You don't leave, you're going to jail.
Yes.
This is like your last and final warning.
Okay.
Okay?
I know what we're doing.
Have a better day.
But that was not the end of the story, because the lady has more tricks up her sleeves.
I have one plan.
need to leave.
This woman and I sue her for this what she doing to me now. It's my right. You cannot give me go inside, but you must go inside.
No, I do not have to do that. No, I don't have to do that. No, I don't.
No, it's my right.
That's not important right now.
Hire your
It's
attorney.
important right now.
Hire an attorney and sue them. No, you can hire an attorney.
Call Cleveland Clinic.
No. Oh, she hasn't gone inside yet, so I'm gonna give her the
I'm gonna wait
benefit.
for I'm gonna wait for him to show up.
She hasn't gone inside yet.
Okay, go into the woman.
We are not going inside to get her name. It's not your right.
Okay, you go. Yeah, it's my right.
No, it's not.
I know my right.
No, you
The
don't.
United States
You don't know the
citizen.
law.
Okay, how about I call 911 and say what you're doing?
We are 911, so there you go. You call 911 for that.
feel
You
like-
call
you feel like
911
you
for
call-
that. You'll be abusing 911. You'll go to jail.
If you abuse 911, you
Correct.
go to jail.
Yep.
I'm not signing your paper. You actually physically not give me God of
Actually,
the
you're going to jail. This has gone far enough. Let's take her. That's it. Yep.
Okay, I sue you.
Okay.
Nope.
Nope.
That's it.
Going to
Nope.
15.
Going to jail.
You're going to jail.
You have been given every right to not go
You
to
have-
jail.
Don't resist me.
Don't take my bag.
Honey. Let go of it.
That's worse than it really
You're
is.
charging me. You're charging me.
I know. Everything's on video. Don't worry about it.
That's what we didn't want to do.
We're under
Okay?
arrest.
You're under arrest now. You can go to jail.
Give my bag.
Stop moving.
Be still.
All right, come on.
Uncalled for.
After the long and frustrating lobbying for the lady to leave, she decided not to and got herself charged with trespassing and resisting arrest without violence.